A high-visibility policing operation effective in Dublin will be rolled out in other cities and large towns after a large drop in street crime was recorded. The policing plan, which was introduced last year in two Dublin Garda divisions in North Central and South Central, involved putting more uniformed Gardaí on the beat in areas identified as having high rates of offences. Garda numbers in the two divisions were significantly boosted by the deployment of an additional 100 newly attested Gardaí from Templemore. The high-visibility policing plan was also launched in Cork in recent weeks, with 48 extra Gardaí assigned to the city to target antisocial behaviour, drug dealing, shoplifting and public order. Now it has emerged that Garda management is planning to roll out the plans in Limerick, Galway and Waterford. They will also be launched in the bigger towns like Dundalk and Athlone. In a statement, Garda Síochána said that similar to Dublin, the patrols will be deployed in locations that were selected following feedback from the community and businesses in the city, as well as our own crime location data. Exclusive figures seen by the Irish Independent reveal that the ongoing long-term operation has seen dramatic drops in a wide range of serious offences in central Dublin, coupled with a major increase in arrests. Since the policing plan began, one of the most serious offences, which is robbery from the person involving the use of threats or violence, has dropped by 30%. Theft from the person where violence is not used has also plummeted by 28%. Assaults causing harm have also decreased by 17% and minor assaults by 4%. The large numbers of Gardaí on what are called high-visibility beats has also seen an increase in proactive policing across a wide range of offences, which might otherwise have gone unreported or undetected. It involves targeting resources in specific areas of the inner city using crime data and feedback from the community and the business community. According to the figures, arrests jumped by 15% to 3,750, more than 20 per day. Meanwhile, 8,000 charges or summons over 40 per day have been issued, which is an increase of 20% in less than a year. The increased Garda numbers on the beat also resulted in a 33% increase in the detection of road traffic offences. Proactive detections include an 18% jump in public order offences and 30% for possession of drugs. Drunkenness offences accounted for the single biggest increase in detections, which are up 67% year on year. The high visibility presence of Gardaí has also seen a 6% lift in arrests for thefts from shops. Arrests for assaults on Gardaí and obstruction have increased by 29%, while arrests for obstructing police officers under the Drugs Act increased by 3%.